everyone, this is Upasana along with Prameya from Standard 11, Delhi Public School, Rourkela. The alarming rise in gynecological diseases such as cervical cancer, ovarian cancer, breast cancer, and PCOS poses a significant public health challenge worldwide. Breast cancer alone accounts for 1/4 of all female cancers and results in 6.7 lakh deaths every year.
To address this, we developed FemCare, a platform that uses advanced prediction algorithms for early diagnosis and management of these diseases. FemCare provides accurate risk assessments, timely interventions, educational resources, and community support aligning with the third SDG goal, good health and well-being. We utilized AI tools for advanced data analytics, natural language processing, and machine learning to personalize health recommendations, improving the application's accuracy and usability.
Through this project, we enhanced our skills in medical data analysis and user-centric design. Here we go for a demo of FemCare.
So first of all, this is the complete home page of our application. I will then move on to the cervical cancer prediction page where I have already entered some parameters for testing. If I submit it, then it shows me the result. Moving on to the breast cancer page, first of all, we'll upload the histopathology image, and then when we click on the submit button, then it shows us the percentage of prediction. Then moving on to the FemCare journal, here where we have provided many useful articles on gynecology issues. Currently, we are working on the PCOS model and more features like community and making the web app vernacular.
We have received several recognitions in the field of AI, including winner of the CBSE Intel AISC Challenge of the Year 2021, winners of the G20 Jan Bhagidari Youth Fair 2023, finalists in the Vivo Ignite 2023 Technology and Innovation Awards, and the 1M1B India AI Youth Awards 2024.
Addressing ethical and privacy concerns, we ensured informed consent, accountability, and data security. We aim to reduce diagnosis delays, raise awareness, and provide community support, improving health outcomes for 200 million women globally.
With FemCare, we are not just solving a problem, we are igniting a movement to change how women's health is envisioned in the society. Thank you.